Hello, we're Immobiliser Fit, UK's leading installer of Starline security. Today we've secured this 2022 Kia Niro with a Starline Pro Immobiliser. So with the customer's phone in the vehicle, all they need to do is simply hop in the vehicle, start it as normal. Hear their melody because their phone's paired, and you'll see the vehicle's ready to drive and they can select a gear and drive it. If the customer's phone wasn't present and someone hopped in the vehicle, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth off on the phone to show that the phone's out of range. If someone cloned the key, hopped in, tried to start the vehicle up, it simply won't start. It's protected against relay attack, key cloning. As you can see, it doesn't go to ready. We're unable to select a gear. Vehicle can't be driven off. In an event where it is the customer, they don't have their phone on them or their phone's died while they're out, and they just want to drive the vehicle, what they can do, ignition on, go through a disarm code they've set on the steering wheel, receive a melody, and now they can start it and select their gear. No need for a phone. There you go. If the customer wants to change the code on this can be anything between 3 and 21 presses. And to do that, first ignition on, disarm the system, get your tone, then press any button 5 times. Cycle ignition off, back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. So we just changed the code. We'll wait for a confirmation. And then again, down, down, up, up. Wait for a confirmation. There we go, that's the code learnt. So ignition off. So now after 10 seconds with the phone out of range or Bluetooth off, we'll ignition on, pop the new code in and receive our melody, and now we can start the vehicle and it will go to ready. If the customer wants to put this in service mode, they can either hop into the app on the Starline Key app on their phone, press and hold on the key app, and they'll be able to put it into service mode that way. Alternatively, if they don't have their phone on them, what they'll have to do is ignition on, disarm the system and prove that it's you, and then press any button 11 times, ignition off, back on, and we'll get the 2 bleeps. So we'll just show you that. So ignition on, authorise that it's you with your code, get our melody, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. So now this is a normal vehicle. So when Kia get it, and it's got to be serviced or road tested, there's no need for a code, no need for a phone. Vehicle starts as normal. When you get it back from them, you'll obviously want it protected again, and how you do that is ignition on, just pop your disarm code in like you normally would, and you get 2 bleeps. So it's protected again. Just to confirm that it is back on, we'll give it 10 seconds and then we'll try and attack the vehicle without a code or without a phone, and you'll see it doesn't start. As you can see, vehicle won't start. We'll just try that again so you can see. Vehicle won't start. It's looking for a code or a phone before it can be driven. So if you want to get one of these installed, this is a 2022 Kia Niro, fully electric, with a Starline Pro Immobiliser fitted by us at Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 if you're looking to get one of these fitted on your vehicle. Thanks for watching.